hug for me underneath your favorite tree, but nothing ever comes from not trying. The rain was cold, the wind was free. We took a walk along the street, despite the lightning the night before dying. And in the end, it's just me and my coat. Pull up my hood, look into the sky, and it's raining again. If loving is easy and nothing is real, then why can't I play the game? This isn't life, it's just making a mess. Never had a problem living alone until somebody showed me the way. She said, this is your life, but I wish you the best. And in the end, it's just me and my coat. Pull up my hood, look into the sky. Where do you turn when your enemies are friends? You gotta face the facts. You're better walking away from it all.
My name's John Finnegan. I'm the chairman of Liverpool Homeless Football Club. The club was set up 6 years ago, initially to get homeless people to engage in football, thus looking at health and well-being. As you can see from here today, our numbers reach up to 100 homeless lads playing football on a match day. The benefits are getting out of the hostel, so they're not engaging in antisocial activities. The health, obviously the health and well-being, to keep them fit. They're engaging with other people in the same situation as themselves.
And in the end, just me and my coat. Pull up my hood, look into the sky. And where do you turn when your enemies are friends? You gotta face the facts. You're better walking away from it all.